Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, it's your girl Rita, and I am so thrilled to have you here today. So today I am taking you through another protein treatment, and if your hair is highly porous, then you really want to do this. Now for this protein treatment, I am going to be using egg. So I'll run through the benefits of egg. The egg yolk moisturizes dry and brittle hair. It stimulates hair growth, while the egg white balances sebum production and promotes hair growth. Now, sebum is the body's natural oil that is being produced by the sebaceous glands. Now, it is supposed to keep your hair moisturized and shiny, but an excess production of sebum can cause dandruff, flaky scalp, and all whatnot. So, this is absolutely good for you if your scalp is troubling you. Another ingredient I'm going to be adding today is honey. Now, if you've been here a minute, then you know that I love my honey. It moisturizes the hair, strengthens the hair. It also promotes hair growth and keeps the scalp healthy, amongst other benefits. So definitely honey. Now let's go into the application of this gorgeous beauty. All it takes is just to give it a good mix and then apply it topically to your hair. Now, if your hair is of low porosity, I wouldn't recommend this because it is highly strengthening, and a low porosity hair is already strengthened enough. So all you need is a balance of protein and moisture, so you got to concentrate more on the moisture part. So I wouldn't recommend this. I'll recommend any of the other treatments, or deep conditioner with banana or avocado, or just your beautiful oils if your hair is lowly porous. So you want to take note of that and completely avoid this if you can, or you go in with the egg white if you have issues with your scalp. That should sort it out. Just apply it to your scalp and you're good to go. Otherwise, this can make your hair literally as strong as, I don't know, chips, and it will break. So take note of that, and don't do this too much even if your hair is highly porous. I do this once in 2 months, so you want to take note of that as well. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out my other videos, and drop your girl a comment. You know how we do it. Okay, so that's it. After applying this to your hair, you just want to walk about and do other things for like 20 to 30 minutes, and then you can wash it out, shampoo, condition, and go through all the process. After my twist out, my hair was bomb. It was strengthened, it was gorgeous, it was shiny. You really want to try this. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, check out my other videos, and drop your girl a comment. I'll be coming with more content like this, so you don't want to miss out. Click that bell button so you don't miss out. Thanks, guys. See you in my next video. I remain Rita, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.